Firstly, you want to make sure your face is clean, and after patting it dry, you apply a cleansing oil all over your face. Then you go in with your shaving blade and shave. After that, you wash your face and pat it dry again. Then I love to go in with an hydrating mask so that my face doesn't lack moisture and I do not damage my skin barrier. Then I use the remaining all over my neck because nothing is gonna waste here. After some minutes, I remove the sheet mask, then I pat it into my skin. Next is an hydrating serum. I love to use this because I want to strengthen my skin barrier. I go with an hydrating moisturizer and my sunscreen. Thanks for watching, guys.